Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GoDaddy detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into GoDaddy, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.godaddy.com and press enter. Once the GoDaddy homepage loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to reveal a drop-down menu. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your GoDaddy username or customer number in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Keep Me Signed In box. Make sure all your entries are correct. After confirming your details, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as your credentials are verified. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to your GoDaddy account dashboard. Here, you can manage your domains, hosting, and other services. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have successfully logged in, explore the various features available in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.